log in as a seller, but
You cannot
with the same
create
information, you
any
cannot create.
same ID, but you can log in if you get the approval as a seller. You just create and you communicate.
Another thing I noticed, the reset password from the
So focus one by one. Okay, next time create the bug. You are random. So that's the reason you are not able to like the focus one thing at a time. Okay, so go to the, so what is the definition? If you sign in works with the buyer, you can actually request for the seller account.
So how do I put the request?
Okay, that's what we're doing now. So can you go to the URL?
Which one? Which URL?
Go to the seller URL.
Oh, okay.
Then you sign in. Then the people can see they do not have the URL.
Okay, okay. Let me. That URL is.
There is some issues going on, but let's see. So in that we are having some issues. We are not able to access by the domain. So let's give this 133.4002 login. That's the IP address 96.85.103. So
Okay.
give this yeah. So the process will be once they we just need your ID. You just simply say, this is my buyer ID. I would like to be a seller account. I would like to access the seller account so I can actually go through the APIs. Press the request. Then we'll be approving you in the seller part. Good?
This can only not sign up as a seller.
You can. There was a sign up as well. There on the API, you saw that. You don't see something on the user interface does not mean there is not API. There is API. Yes, it's not implemented. The UI is not implemented for that API. Okay. So now you got this. So what you will do, you can just simply in the chat say, hey, can you please approve this as a seller account? That's it. A Pratik will be doing it. Good. So here is everything else for the seller portal. Any question on? So basically, this is actually the very powerful website, by the way. It's called the single e-commerce. If you want to sell your product, you can take this and you can actually do the business. Yes, because we built it for any to sell like a mini company that do not have the website. So that's the purpose. So we are actually cleaning up, rebranding it, and then we'll be actually the selling to the people. Okay. So basically, go over in the dashboard. You can see how many users, total customers, how many products total. So that's the dashboard. How many total categories there? How many brands are there? Okay. Go to the category, please. I'm just giving you like the UI point of views, because this is all your last project, basically. So category, you can create the category, you can edit or you can delete. You can see already. So each of the API is there. Yep, you can delete one and you will not see on the front end anymore. So category has a subcategory, is it?
Yes.
Then beauty, okay. So category, subcategory, subcategory. Yep. Okay. Good. And now you have the brand. Of course, you want to add the brand, whatever you are selling. So become familiar with the brand name. You can upload the image and you can active or deactive. If you active this, it will be working. It will not be working if you do not active it. Ashraf, what are you doing? You did not do any show and tell, man. You are doing a lot of things but not active. It's a 5 month. I don't know what you're exactly accomplishing really. Okay. Okay, so that's the one you can, we'll talk about if you want to upload bulk, right? That's the way you can do this. Upload bulk, or you have a two option. If you want to make it analyst, the productive, then you give them upload option. So they can actually upload bulk amount of information, not one by one. So you're downloading the skeleton. If you download, show them. Download a skeleton. So you
This
see
one
it,
is
then
for the brands
yep.
CSV. So if I open this,
See,
this is the
using
file.
all
Here we can
information here.
download all these, and also like if we want to upload, for upload, if we want to download the skeleton. So this skeleton is like we need the
Name
name
and
and we
image.
need to give the image information.
Means what it means. You upload image somewhere and you give the link here. So that's the S3. Upload image means S3. Upload picture image. So you are uploading, then you are providing information here. Then it will be uploaded bulk for you. You don't need to do one by one. Okay, go back. Go to the next
Then
one. Campaign. I think you guys already know the campaign means you are like at the campaigning for a product to sell, right? Ads, like what you are trying to do. So that's the campaign API. How does works? Can you create a product? So go back to the campaign, please, one more time. What does it do in the edit? Okay, create a campaign.
so basically
So
like it's a campaign that we give a campaign name that we are like giving the discount on the all the phone, and then we can upload the image of
and
the
you can
campaign, and
give
also we can give the
look at
time.
this. See that? So that's what we do. So after that, it will be gone. So that's the reason he said this application has some very cool things that the many application doesn't have. They struggle. Okay, so continue. So you can edit that, and those you have to match with each of the API there. Then you will understand. From the go over the UI, then the API will make sense to you.
So here like after creating the campaign, then we can add the product. Like here we can select the product, and then we can select the product we want to add into the campaigns.
And see, so campaign creation one, so that's one API. Then you can add the product in that campaign. So then if you do not have a product, now you have to add the product. So see how the API internally they're working. Campaign is one, adding products, adding existing product in the campaign. That's the second API to complete this. If you do not have a product, then you need to add the product in your application, in your website, then the three things will work. You see, so it's not like the black and white things work. They have a huge dependency behind the scene.
You can also add another feature called the coupon.
Yes, yes, and that is true. Okay, so continue. Now let's go to the product. So create product. Look at the how many things. Remember, I said that the what is required. So in the UI, it shows what is required. All the red button. If you do not do them, it will not work. Static is all this product name, category, select a brand, unit, and everything else. Upload thumbnail image, gallery image. You guys know the difference between thumbnail and the gallery?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. And Google it, then you will know what is the thumbnail. Thumbnail means you can see right away. Gallery image means in the product you have multiple images. Yep. So we understand the product variation is most important one here. Click it. So variation means, of course, if you sell the shirt, right? How many variation it can happen? Size, color, man, woman, right? So many things. That's here the product variation. Good. So that's the part of that you have to know how the application works. Okay. The unit price. And then the discount. And then stock. What does it mean? Of course, the $50. Then you can give the discount. How that works then? And you need to you can get the text from the checkout. And then each of the product has this unique number. If you do the Amazon listing ever, they call the SKU number. They have a specific number. Each of the product is identified as specific number anyway. UPC code. It's called the UPC code. That's how you list the product. And now the stock. One of the most complex part in the e-commerce business, inventory management. Means how many you have, how many sold, how many left. Like a look. That's the stocking. Most complex things because inventory management. You see, it's a big, huge feature. Basically, your team will be very unproductive if you do not maintain the inventory because you don't know what is going on. You posted on the website 50 unit, actually you have a 2 unit because you do not have a map. You do not have an integration in your system that once the 1 unit sell, total unit will be reduced. Once the all unit will be sell, the total unit will be 0. Website will not be able to sell anything.
Also, if you sell on like multiple places, that's the plan also.
Yes. So that's the if you have like the application. So it's an example. If you sell this in a 50 and you list it in 5 websites, that's another problem also. So in that, what happened? So all the company, they manage their central inventory management system. What happened? Regardless of where it sell, in the central place, it gets reduced. That's what he said. Right. Regardless wherever you are listing, does not matter because the central API control everything. In the central API, you have a 200 piece, you sell Macy, Target, Amazon, Walmart, everywhere, Shopify, right? But your central API is reducing. Sell one Amazon, reduce. Sell one Macy, it's reduced. Very powerful, the inventory management system. If you, yeah, I'm just giving an like that's where the everything is controlled because inventory management is a service, it's a big system. Okay, let's continue. Of course, you guys understand the product description is important. Continue, please. Scroll down on this, please. Free shipping. Free shipping. Of course, if we activate the free shipping, now you guys know that after 35, it's a free shipping, right? You can activate or you don't need to activate that. In the shipping, what do you think we can integrate here?
Area, the shipping, like
Anybody can answer. What can we integrate?
the shipping.
No, free shipping after certain spending amount.
No, that's the one. What else? How you know the shipping? What is the complexity of the shipping?
You can select area.
Okay, that's one. I said,
Domestic and international.
anyone from the phone? Anyone from the? Yeah, anyone from the Zoom? What can we integrate here?
Progress of shipping, how
What?
far progress,
Sure. Can say it. Say again. Sure. What else?
Free shipping within like 50
You're,
miles.
you're claiming you're expert. Why not saying?
That's why I said I know.
No, you can implement the.
Like,
Hang on, you're done. FedEx API, UPS API, USPS API. Exactly. I asked the what you can integrate. I did not say anything. I want the integration. Yes, any API, any of the shipping companies API you can integrate. What happened then? What happened? Once actually you ship, the buyer can see where it is now. I'm not a shipping company. I said the word precisely. What you can integrate? All the shipping API you can integrate.
Those are like the options, and you can also.
No, those are the powerful options to be productive in your company. Otherwise, you will know what is going on.
Also, you have the information about the product weight, size,
Yep.
and the distance.
No, that's the different places. That's all part of their APIs. That's all he said when you send the product, of course they give all the APIs. Where you guys said it properly. So location, right? Zip code, city, state, that's the longitude, latitude. But then now it goes to the weight, size, height, width, and then also the claiming. Let's